Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX third generation, and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the alternator. If you guys have problems with your alternator not charging, always check that fuse guys. A quick introduction: we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. All the tools and parts that we use guys, replacement fuses, will be listed in the description of the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So this is right here guys, we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX. You will need to open the hood of your vehicle. Okay, and once you guys open the hood, right here next to the car battery, okay, is your fuse box, right there. So how you open, there is one thing that we need to press back, like that, pull up, okay, and now it's going to drop. So what you can do, you can just pull it from the hinge, okay, and later you just need to press it in and it goes back on the spot. Now on the back side you have the fuse numbers right here, but it doesn't say what is what. So what we're going to do now guys, okay, let me explain to you. We'll need to locate the fuse guys, and sometimes you will not have a fuse puller in the box, so you either need to use pliers. But the replacement fuses guys, okay, that we're using, okay, let me show you now. They come guys with a free fuse puller right there. So check it out, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. The fuse guys that we're looking at now, okay, it's fuse number 8. Fuse number 8, it's a 10 amp fuse, okay, and we're talking about that fuse, okay, right here. So I'm going to go ahead, grab it, okay, pull it out. Okay, this is very tight fit there because it's next to the big fuse. Okay, and pull it out, and I'll grab a new one to replace it. Okay, right here, and we'll be guys ready to go. So if you're guys looking for the fuse for the alternator, that's where it's located. Don't forget to install your cover, okay, because otherwise you can get dust, humidity, water inside, and you can damage your fuse panel. So thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.